Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is the best plier. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry I've been away. Been on a little quest at the beginning of the video, finding the best plier. I've looked high, I've looked low, I looked in everybody's tool cart video, everybody's roll cart video, this toolbox and that toolbox, and just books, magazines, encyclopedias. So I'm back and I found the best pliers that you can have. Bar none. The best pliers you can ever have. So my journey has brought me back all the way back to my garage here. This is as always, we're talking about the best of the best of something. It's just everybody's humble opinion. So this is my personal humble opinion speak today on the best plier. So let me get the camera set up here on a tripod or whatever I gotta do. You know how we gotta do to make these videos work. Takes a little time, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Remember, best plier, my humble opinion. I've ended my journey back in my own garage, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're here on the side tray of my roll cart, my Harbor Freight roll cart. Been a great cart, haven't had any problems with it. And yeah, just getting back on a schedule, back from my journey of finding the best pliers. As I said, I've looked on YouTube, I looked on eBay, Craigslist, little pinch of pennies flyers, Snap-on, Craftsman sites, Matco, Harbor Freight, even the auto parts stores. So as I said, this here's my my humble opinion, and I wound back up to in my own garage, kind of like a Wizard of Oz trip. But my humble opinion, before I unveil it, of course, I'm probably gonna get some hate mail or some hate messages or thumbs down, but it is what it is. This is the best set of pliers that I've found in my search. So without further ado, boom, there they are. These are the Coolpix, but it doesn't have to been Coolpix. It could have been any other plier that I had in my toolbox. That's where you're going to find the best pliers, in my humble opinion. In your own toolbox, it's going to get the job done, whatever you got. All these reviews and saying Snap-on's best, Mako's best, Harbor Freight's the best. What it boils down to, guys, it's what you got in your toolbox. It's going to get the job done, bar none. They make tools for a reason. It may only work once, but then again, it's going to work. It may work 1,000 times and then break on a job you need done, and then the backup that you have is that old one you found on the side of the road that fell out of somebody's rusted toolbox, and that ends up getting the job done. And done. Job done, you know? So guys, don't go searching all over the place and trying to find. I mean, it just doesn't have to be pliers. It can be, you know, multi screwdrivers. You know, it could be ratchets. You know, the best tool that you can find. You don't have to go looking. It's right in your own toolbox. So that's my humble opinion. I'm back. Gonna get some videos done. Gonna try and get video at least once a week. I got other projects I'm doing. I've got my outdoor channel I'm gearing up to get back into. I have a new photography channel, so I'm going to be busy. So hopefully I can do once a week on my Automotive channel, my outdoor channel, and my photography channel, with doing my podcast on my photography channel. But if you haven't checked my outdoor channel out, Topwolf Outdoors, I'll leave a link down below at the end of the video someplace, up in one of the corners, wherever it may pop up. Support that channel, and as always, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions. As always, I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here. Not reset this camera back over there, but yeah, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want to do. It's all good. Y'all have a great day. See ya.